In order to manage your news on ExperienceBU, you'll want to select the 3 lines to get your organization tools and select News. This will bring you to your Manage News page. On the left, you'll have a search toggle. You can search through different articles you've published. You'll see any published articles listed there. You can hit the arrow to see the Explore end, or what a student would see of the article, or hit Create Article to write something new. Here you'll see you can add a title, an article summary, the body of your article, and just below the body you'll have an option to notify members of your organization when you post a new news article. On the right, you can drag and drop a photo, and you can determine the visibility of your news article, who you would like to be able to read it. And at the top right, you can hit Create Article when you're all done. We're going to see what this looks like from a student end. So if we hit Explore, we get an idea here of what a student would see once you have successfully published your article on your ExperienceBU page. To edit an already published news article, click the article itself. From here, you can select Edit or Delete Article on the right-hand side of the page. We'll select Edit. Here you have the option to edit all aspects of your article even after you've published it. If you set the visibility as public, keep in mind that your article will then appear on the ExperienceBU homepage. Your article will also appear under the News section on the ExperienceBU homepage. And I'll show you that here. If you set visibility as institution or organization, you're limiting your audience who can read your article to Brock or to your organization roster. By setting an article as private, your article will not be visible on a user's end. Once you've edited your news story, be sure to select Save once you've made the changes you wanted. If you have any questions about this tutorial, email us at experiencebu@brocku.ca.